Coffee is my best friend. I just realized I need more friends. That's my coffee song. Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer and creator at Rescue Math Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you why your space is still unorganized. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before you continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you get notified. Okay, let's continue. So what I've been noticing lately is there are a lot of people getting their homes organized because we're indoors more. One of the maybe most, when I say easy, but most normal thing to do is to work on your home. We are starting to repair our homes, we're starting to fix those issues, and we're starting to organize our homes. But maybe you're one of those individuals while in isolation, you've organized your home and you realize that my home is still unorganized. Whatever I did, it kind of looks like nothing was ever done. There's a few reasons that I believe why your home is still unorganized. And the first one is, which is probably the one that I preach all the time, and that is you didn't get rid of enough items. Yes, you thought you purged, but you really didn't do much. Purging is probably one of the most important parts when it comes to organization. I will argue that it is probably the most important part when it comes to organization because you need to get rid of the stuff that you don't necessarily use anymore, because guess what that is? Clutter. Number two, the reason why your space is still unorganized is probably because you have too many organizing products in your space. Yes, that's a thing. Having too many organizing products means your space is that much more cluttered. Organizing products clutters your home. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it. Organizing products can and will create clutter, which is why it's so important for you to purge. Another reason why your space is probably still unorganized is because you didn't dedicate enough time to organizing your space. Organizing your space is such a time-consuming task because it probably took you years to get to where your home is today. And I'm talking about in a cluttered state. And the fourth reason, and probably the second most important reason or most important part to getting organized, is you're not maintaining your organized space. So with that said, here are some tips that can help you get your space organized or reorganized and keep it that way. So when it comes to decluttering, it's very important that you only hold on to those valuable items, those items that you value the most, that make you satisfied, make you even feel good, and of course that you need. It's not always about joy or sparking joy, though I think it's a great concept, but everything in your home that you must keep in your home is not always gonna spark joy. I have things in my office today that does not spark joy, but I need it for my business. You get what I mean? So yeah, go off of that. Only choose those items that you love, that you value, that satisfy you, that you need. Everything else can go. So let me go a little deeper, just a little. You may argue that everything in your space has value. Every item that you decided to keep is valuable. In fact, if you don't use these items, or you haven't used it, or even haven't seen it in years, how valuable are they? So there's a few questions you have to ask yourself when it comes to keeping items. And I understand how difficult it is to let go of items because we as humans love to attach memories to items, which are sentimental values when it comes to material items. Therefore, because this item was given to you by a certain person who is either here or have passed on, you then equate that item to that person, which I might sound a little harsh, is not the case. So go through your items again and get rid of all those items that truly have no value. Those items that you truly don't really care for. They don't satisfy that thing in you. They just are there because someone gave it to you. Get rid of them so you can create a more clear space, thus keep your space organized. Number two, which I think is very important, is to create a reminder at the end of the week to put everything back in its designated place. This is so important because maintaining your space is the second most important part when it comes to organizing. And if you don't have some type of routine to put things back in its place, then your space will never be organized. And if you don't put your stuff back in its space, after a long time, your space will then start to overflow with clutter, which is gonna put you back at square one, where you're gonna have to, again, reorganize your entire space, which honestly isn't always the most fun thing, especially if you are not someone who does it as a profession or someone who loves to do it. So set a reminder in your phone, either at the end of the week or in the beginning of the week, and give yourself about 30 minutes to an hour to put everything back in its space. If you notice that the original way you organize your space isn't working, you can of course at this time reorganize it, maybe place it in another area and see if it fits with your lifestyle. Okay. When it comes to organizing products, when it comes to purchasing organizing products, to be specific, before you even go out and purchase those items, before you even go online and click, checkout or pay, make sure you do a few things before you do so. And I do have a video on where I talk about this, but I'm gonna talk about it again. So you can watch the video here, but you can also hear what I'm gonna say. So before you even think about organizing products, you gotta, of course, as I mentioned before, declutter, but you gotta measure the area where those organizing products are going to sit. Do not go out and buy organizing products before you measure that space, because honestly, it will be a waste when you buy those products and they don't fit. And I've come across a lot of people who have bought organizing products and they don't return it within the time that they're supposed to, and now they're stuck with clutter. So please, before you purchase any type of organizing product, measure your space, know for sure what you'll be purchasing. You gotta know. Don't go shopping blindly, because again, it becomes wasteful when you buy things because you've either seen it online or see it on TV. You buy them and then when you take it to your space, it just doesn't make sense. It isn't functional, it doesn't work. And then again, it becomes clutter. So now you have this garage filled with organizing products that you just don't even have a reason to use them. My job is to help you get organized and stay organized. So when it comes to organizing products, do not buy them yet until you know for sure what you'll be buying, if those items will fit in your space, and that you're ready to commit to that item and use it properly, so it won't become clutter. I hope that makes sense. So that's pretty much it, guys. I wanted to kind of create a more informative video this time, rather than just showing you guys different organizing products that I'm inviting into my home, or organizing products that I think are good for you or inexpensive. I wanted to give you guys a video that could help you physically, right? Because organizing products really have nothing to do with organizing your home. It's just an added bonus when it comes to organizing your home. So hopefully this video, this informative video, helps you not only just get your home organized, but keep it that way. So let me know in the comment section below if you've organized your space in the past and your space just feels unorganized and looks unorganized, or if you are in the process of organizing your space. Let me know below. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.